YouTube, Joe's a Bowman here. Before we get started this morning, I would like to thank everyone who has hit that subscribe button. We have passed 770 subscribers. We're still climbing, so if you haven't, I don't know what you're waiting on. Hit that subscribe button down there. If you already have, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get notifications on all my new videos as soon as I post them. Guys, today I'm going to be working on getting this 2004 Durango put back together. In this video, you're going to see the whole tear down and putting it back together in time lapse. This thing hit a deer at about 55 miles an hour. Took out the headlight, the grill, the radiator. We already straightened out the dings and dents in that side of the bumper. We got this part of the fender tweaked back out because it rolled it in. We did a couple little paint chips, nothing major. I got most of my brackets, I think, back where they need to be. We'll see once I go to get the grill in if I need to adjust them any. If you have any questions about anything I'm doing, as always, throw it down in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer it for you. Please do me a big favor, share this video with your friends, and check out some of the other videos I have up on my channel. You might find something else that interests you as well. Guys, hang in there. I hope you enjoy this video on putting this Durango back together. All the parts that we're putting on are actually used parts through LKQ. The grill, the only thing that will be new is a headlight assembly. The headlight assembly is coming through Amazon because we actually have really good luck with finding good new headlight assemblies on Amazon, and I'll be honest with you, they're as cheap or cheaper than the aftermarket. So, but anyway, the radiator is used. Unfortunately, the insurance company bid it out to use a used radiator, so that's kind of what we have to do to stay within our budget with the insurance company. The grill is used, but you know, that's not a major deal. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. We're going to get this sucker put back together today. guys, thanks for watching. Do me a favor, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. If you have, make sure you hit that notification bell so you get all the notifications on any of my upcoming videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to rate it now that it's all over with, guys. And guys, don't be afraid to get out there and get your hands dirty. You might have a little fun doing it. See you on the next one.